everyone for being here, and thank you to Meza for putting this meet and greet together. I'm attorney Velia Meza. I'm the Democratic nominee for the 226th District Court. That's a felony district court, exclusive jurisdiction for felonies in Bexar County. So I would be the judge that gets to decide everything from pre-trial release, who gets to get out and go home. If dad picks up his third DWI, does he get to go to rehab so he can make his family stronger? Those are the types of decisions that judges will make. We also preside over the trials of cases. I have been in practice for 17 years. I have represented citizens accused of crimes all over Texas, in over 30 counties in Texas, and I have to tell you that in my experience, Bexar County is at the top of that list. There's no better place to practice than Bexar County, and I have been everywhere, more than 30 counties in Texas. And so I want to bring all of my experience from both sides, because I also did family law for the past 17 years. And you would be very surprised how much overlap there is in those two areas. If a child is abused on the civil side, there's a judge that's going to hear the case against the abuser, right? And those courts need to be able to work together to protect the family, to protect our community. And so I am, not from San Antonio. I grew up in El Paso. My parents were immigrants. They chased the American dream, and they came to the United States. And that's my perspective on a lot of things. I am a family of immigrants. I got a great opportunity to go to Columbia University, an Ivy League school. I had a blast there. I loved it. I lived in New York City for 7 years, and I worked on Wall Street, and I hated it. I found nothing good working there. And so I started working in the New York City Criminal Justice Agency. And while I was there, I realized that's what I want to do. I want to be a lawyer like that. Because if that guy is doing such a bad job as a lawyer, I know I can do a whole lot better. And so I went to law school, came back here to St. Mary's. I graduated law school, and then I started my own practice, 17 years. So I have perspective. I am well balanced in my outlook. I think that's something that our leader over here, sorry, I forgot, Pat Hassel, said, that women see things differently. We do. Because when the dad who picked up his third DWI is in front of me, it's going to affect the family. It's going to affect the children. It's going to affect the wife, the support that the wife has. And so I need to keep that in mind. And anybody who's in front of me is going to get a fair shake. Due process, to me, is more important than moving a docket along. There's ways to move the docket along. Recently, one of my clients, perfect candidate for a felony drug court, they told me there's no more money, don't apply. Sorry, go away. Couldn't even be interviewed. I'm not going to be the kind of judge that takes that answer and sits down. I'm going to go look for the funding. I'm going to work with our community and see where we can get that money so we can get the people the help they need. So I ask for your vote, Velia Meza for the 226th District Court. Thank you.